With the recent situation, everyone's been experiencing a form of social isolation.
However, for some people, this is their normal and potentially results in chronic loneliness.
So we wanted to accept this challenge and try and improve the situation for millions of people.
What we want you to think about is what are those issues that you face in isolation personally, those that you love and care about, and what are the things that we could do differently to help support that?
Perhaps think about those that are more vulnerable, that maybe have mobility issues or have mental health issues, and how you could improve their lives, especially if they're feeling isolated.
So take a look around the house, see what's around you and see what could be improved. So anyone with a great idea can enter, whether you're a student, an experienced engineer, or just an ordinary person with a great idea. We want you to share that idea with us and we can help you make that idea a reality.
So we don't need a really in-depth solution, kind of masses and masses of detail, and we just need your idea. So you just need to go to DesignSpark website and look for the Connect the Community challenge and enter online today. So to enter this challenge, as we said, you don't need to have a technical background, but if you do have an engineering background and have programming experience, then Nordic are providing short-range kits such as the NRF 52833, which you can use to do Bluetooth, Thread and Zigbee, or also the NRF 9160 kit, which you can use for cellular IoT, so LTM and narrowband IoT.
And you can also, when you submit your idea, request for additional prototyping parts from RS Components, and we can help you get everything that you need to have a go at prototyping your idea.
And then if you have any questions once you've got the kits, you can go on to the Nordic Dev Zone and we've got a whole support team there ready to answer your questions.
Cadent are going to be supporting the winners in a number of ways. So once winners have actually received their prize, they're also then going to be supported through different mechanisms for funding and also how to take that idea and fully develop it through the introduction to design consultants and seeing your product and your ideas actually become prototypes.
We want to turn your ideas into a reality.
There are 5 key areas that you need to be aware of. The first one is about meeting a known need for the user. It may well be that isolation and loneliness is key, but that user may have other situations impacting their lives as well, from age through to chronic serious illness. Please consider those.
Secondly, usability. Have you considered how the product will be used and the challenges that they may face when using the product?
Thirdly is feasibility. Will the technology that we've discussed, so Bluetooth, Thread, Zigbee, or cellular IoT, work in the design and idea that you've put forward?
Fourth on the list is about value for money. We're looking for ideas that will have significant impacts on many people's lives. So let's come up with those ideas that are not going to be too expensive to make certain we can be inclusive.
And finally, impact. Can the concept, if further developed, significantly improve the quality of life, independence, or safety of a person?